What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine coming to you early this morning to talk about Doge Killer, the big leash. Look, this got down the other day when Bitcoin got down to 15,700. It dropped down to $273 per share. So I got some. Anyway, I'm hoping you guys are accumulating and amassing this token and whatever token you've been led by the sovereign and almighty Lord Yahweh to go snag up in this beautiful bear market. This is what you kind of want. You want the bleed-a-thon to take place so you can just come in and buy them cheap shares from the dudes that panic sell and think that it's just going to zero, handing over valuable assets. You know what I'm saying? So you want to capitalize. So, like what I'm doing. So, look at this volatility. Look at this. This is volatility at its finest. See that? It got down to 298. Is that? No, 294 at 6 a.m. yesterday. So, and then it shot all the way up to $328 or $30, $330, I think. So, but it came back down. So now we at what, 313, 312, 312. So it's still all good. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I'm watching this Ethereum just keep going up in the amount it costs to get leash. The amount of Ethereum it takes to get a full leash is going up. You know what I'm saying? Because Ethereum is coming down. So you have Ethereum at $1,278 and Bitcoin at $17,368. So you can see, you can look at, what's been going on with Bitcoin. So, it's not showing the low, how low it got the other day, which was 15,006 or $700, something like that. But this is gobitcoin.io. This is a Bitcoin converter and Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. If you don't have one of these, I suggest you go get one of these if you're new to crypto. So this makes it easier when you're trying to figure out how much you need. Like you can do like point 0.1 Ethereum. That's $127. So Ethereum got down to like 1,100 and something. I think 1,160 or 40, something like that. I don't remember the exact price. So yeah, I was sitting there picking up cheap shares and stuff. So another token that I'm looking, I put a small position in and that I'm watching is this one. Flocky. Now this got down to 7.2 or 7.3 the other day when Bitcoin dropped down to 15,000. I didn't pick up any shares because I wanted it to get down to $5 per million shares you buy. So I'm waiting for it to drop a little bit lower because I'm trying to snag a big bag. You know what I'm saying? A real big bag. But the reason I'm into this one is because the max supply is 10 trillion total supply. And let me show you how high this sucker got. Okay. Yeah, see, it got down to 0.507242. And then its high was 80.50835. So it's up 15.29% on yesterday. Volume 2.6 million. But let's see here. It was just 0.416, I believe. Yeah, 1686 the other day before when Bitcoin rallied to 21,000, over 21,000. So that's why I'm saying I already was knowing that. Man, look at this. It's crazy. 2, 4, 6. It was 702. You could have got hell billions of shares for nothing. Man. Well, I hope it eats another zero. That'd be good for Flocky. So, but anyways, all time high got to 0.30 um 2743. So if you had 10 million, that would have been $2,743. You know what I'm saying? He would have been like sitting pretty. Or yeah, I believe 2,700. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Wanted to touch bases on some plays that you might want to think about parking some money into. You guys have a good morning, a good day, and I wish you the best. Peace.